Hola a todos, soy Everton Araujo, les hablo directamente de NLB 2024 Broadcast Show aquí en Las Vegas, representando TSL Productos. Estoy encargado de América Latina para TSL. Si tenéis alguna duda o queréis escuchar más de nuestros productos, este año estamos trayendo más innovaciones para audio, controles y energía. Y si necesitas escuchar más o saber más de nuestras soluciones, me envíe un correo a sales@tslproductos.com. Muchas gracias.
Hi, I'm Ian Godfrey with TSL Products. I am president of TSL Products Inc. across the Americas and head of TSL Control product line. Just wanted to give you a brief introduction to the TSL Control product line and talk about what we're doing at NAB this year and show you some new stuff. In the TSL Control product line, we offer various hardware and software solutions, both in control processing nodes and human interfaces, to solve our customers' broadcast and live production workflow requirements. In the applications, we cover router control, tally, newsroom automation, production automation. We can even do DTMF control and SCUDdy control for ad insertion. We have a various line of router control products, from the control panels at 16 buttons all the way to 48 buttons. We also have desktop control surfaces to do DDR control, VTR control, and newsroom automation. We actually have a new GTP42 at the show this year. The GTP42 is a hardware appliance that actually runs the software inside. Which one product of the year? GTP V1. This platform offers serial GPIO control, as well as all those other various applications that we discussed. The ability to also do web keys and virtual control through virtual control surfaces allows for remote production for all of those applications that we discussed. We also offer 4 buttons, all the way down to 2 buttons, and remote AIB, GPIO, and serial interfaces.
Hi, I'm Tom, Global Product Manager for Control here at TSL. This year, one of the control applications we've brought to NAB is XConnect. XConnect is our NMOS media flow controller. So it's designed to make transitioning to IP workflows more efficient and more cost effective. XConnect allows you to use the NMOS registry with ISO 4 to automatically discover your endpoints and media flows and capabilities, and then ISO 5 to route those media flows and make those connections. Within the XConnect software, you can map those media flows directly to a virtual matrix, which you have complete control and visibility over. And then that matrix gets exposed northbound to either an existing control system or to one of our router control systems. Our customers are using XConnect to simplify their journey into IP from greenfield, for smaller greenfield projects, up into including adding IP to an existing SDI infrastructure. XConnect is available via an appliance-based device, compact 1RU cost-effective device. It's available as a virtual machine to run on-prem on existing servers, or as a containerized version to run in the cloud for hybrid environments.
Hi, I'm Maurice Snell from TSL Products, and I'm here showing Grass Valley AMP customers how our new product, TSL Portal, can extend the capabilities beyond what Grass Valley can do by themselves. So as soon as the customer needs to integrate with non-Grass Valley equipment, or the customer needs to integrate even with non-AMP Grass Valley equipment, Grass Valley AMP doesn't natively have all of that connectivity and interoperability. But that's TSL Control's speciality. We work with all the industry protocols, with all the vendors. We can provide human interfacing like hard panels you see here. We can provide machine interfaces, whether it's simple GPIs or more complex protocols.
Hi, my name's Steve Cole, and I'm a product manager at TSL covering the audio and power products. And today we're going to talk about audio monitoring. I'm going to give you an overview of the range, and we'll look at some of the key products and how they're used. So let's start with the audio range. Broadly, the TSL audio monitoring range falls into 3 categories. We have our operational monitoring panels that are really easy to use and set up. Then we have our mid-range SAM-Q SDI products. And then we have our kind of high-level flagship PAM IP 1 and 2 products. And so let's start with PAM 1 and 2 IP. So these ones are fully featured audio monitoring products covering a large amount of input types, from SDI to AES and analog, and also with IP and Dante. And so these products would typically be used by A1 audio engineers in MCR or OB truck applications. And the key thing with all of our audio monitoring products is they're really, really easy to use and configure. And very quickly you can get to the root of any problems or issues that you have with the audio feeds. In the mid-range, we have the SAM-Q SDI audio monitor. SAM-Q SDI is really designed to be super flexible, so you can use it in a wider sort of variety of applications, from, say, playout monitoring or operational monitoring, and again, in more engineering type applications. So again, SAM-Q SDI has 2 screens, so you can monitor your video and your audio side by side. We can also have 10 different kind of configurations on the screen, so you can really flexibly look at various different kind of applications. And then if we look at our kind of operational confidence monitoring range, which is called the MPA1, that broadly splits into two sections. We have the MPA1 Solo range that allows you to monitor either a channel or a pair of channels individually. So this is kind of our entry-level monitor. Then our kind of next step up in the MPA1 range is our MPA1 Mix products. MPA1 Mix has a lot more choices on input types. So we can do AES and analog inputs. We can do SDI, again, 2 SDI inputs, 1 SDI output. We can also monitor MADI, and we can monitor Dante, and we can monitor AES 67, 21, 10, 30. So the new product that we are talking about most at the moment is the MPA1 Mix Net. And we've done a 2 input version of that. So 2 1 gigabit Ethernet ports, and it allows you to support SMPTE 2022-7 network redundancy. So that's been really, really useful for a lot of our customers as they transition away from SDI and baseband sources to IP.
Hi, my name is Mark Davies, and I'm the Director of Products and Technology here at TSL. Today I'd like to introduce you to our power distribution range of products. We have a full range of products from entry level all the way up to the most sophisticated. And today I'm going to talk about the top of the range product that we're introducing here at NAB, which is a full monitoring power distribution unit in the horizontal format. Of course, we have both horizontal and vertical units within the range. This new unit here we're showing has 14 outputs, all fused, LED status not only at the front of the rack, but also at the rear. You'll notice we've got an LCD display here, which is showing the status of not only the input, but every single output. You can stroll through. All outputs can be named. We show the voltage, current, and power factor on every output. We can log power usage over the whole unit. This particular unit, being the top of the range, we also have redundant inputs. So we have an A and a B input. They can be set either to manually select between A and B, or it can be set in master mode. So this is typically used where the A input is the main supply, but B is coming from a battery backup. In master mode, it has the useful feature that if the mains fails and it goes over to battery, as soon as the mains comes back, it will automatically switch back, hence preserving the maximum life in your battery. All of the features that you see on the unit here and this little display are reflected on the web page as well.
So I hope that's been informative and helpful for you in terms of TSL, who we are, what we can offer. If you'd like to find out more, please visit tslproducts.com or make an inquiry via sales@tslproducts.com.